Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the ticket screen. This is the search button down here at the bottom left as soon as you sign into the iPad. So I call this the ticket screen. There may be another term that Heartland calls it, but that's just what I call it. Because this will show you all your tickets for the whole day. So if you're searching for a specific ticket, there's a search field down here. So let's say we're searching for L9. Then you would just type in L9 and it would search for just that one ticket. Now we have a button down here called My Tickets. So if I highlight that, it's only going to show me my tickets. It's not going to show me tickets that someone else has done under their code or their PIN number. It's only going to show me mine. So this is a common phone call that I get is hey, I'm going in and looking for tickets, but I don't see all of them. It's only showing me some of the tickets. And one of the reasons could be that you have this on. So make sure that is unhighlighted and able to see everybody's tickets. And then if you notice, all the tickets have different colors. So what do those mean? Well, we have a status button here, and that shows you what each color means. So we know that the dark green ones are all the closed ones. The dark red are canceled, bright reds are refunded, helds are in orange, etc. The ordered one here just means that the order's been placed, but it hasn't been closed or finalized yet. Now, if you can highlight these, like let's say I just want to see all my canceled orders, then I can highlight that and it'll just show me my canceled ones. But again, this is something that you just want to make sure you don't leave highlighted, because then it won't show you everything and it'll generate that service call again. And then we have an option for no credit card tips. So I use that, or I recommend using that for if you're entering credit cards manually. So if you don't have a customer display or get signature on the screen, and you're doing the signature on the receipt, and you need to enter the credit cards manually, then I recommend going in and doing the no credit card tip, because you can highlight that and then it'll show you all your credit card transactions that don't have credit card tips yet, and then you can just have at it there that way. And then the open tickets just shows you, how many open tickets do you have, basically unclosed tickets. And then this last icon down here is if you are using the feature that uses the QR codes for ticket lookup. So if you press that, it'll give you the option, it'll turn on your camera so you can hold your receipt up and take a picture of the QR code so you can pull up the ticket. And that's about it on this screen. So that's all I have for this training video. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.